Here are 3 easy, last-minute Halloween hairstyles for your dog. Here's what we'll need. Style 1. The twin buns of Princess Leia from Star Wars. First, comb your doll's hair. Twist your first section. Then, start forming the first bun by gathering her hair in a coil. As you can see, the bun is taking shape. When you're happy with the shape, you can now secure it with bobby pins. 2 to 4 bobby pins should be enough. If your bobby pins are too long, you can cut it using pliers. Now, on to the other side. And just like that, the hairstyle is complete. Style number 2. The cat ears. Grab yourself a wire. Cut it 2 to 3 inches. Then, you're going to put the wire on a pre-existing hole. Now, grab a small amount of hair to cover the wire. And just twist hair from the wire. When you cover the wire with hair, you can now form the cat ears. Cut the excess wire. Then, find another hole for your wire. It should look like this. Just repeat it to the other side. Then, grab a hair from her bang area. You can put gel so that it would be manageable. Now, we're going to cover the cat ears. Then, clip it in place. Two to 3 bobby pins should be enough. Now, repeat to the other side. You should have something like this. Then grab another section of hair near her ears. Then pull it up like so. Then we're going to clip it in place. Just repeat on the other side and you're done. Now you have a cat ear. Style number 3, Sabrina Spellman. Wrap yourself a black elastic or a small black hair tie. Then, place it as a hairband for your doll. Now, we're going to pull some pieces. Gel is essential for this hairstyle. Put gel to your doll's hair while forming her curls. Once you form your curl, we will then secure it with bobby pins. Then, form another curl. At this point, you can pull her bang to give it a nice swoop. Then, we just repeat the process. Putting gel, coiling her hair, and pinning it in place. Just repeat until all the hair is curled and pinned. And there you have it! An easy no-cut hairstyle for Sabrina. Bye! Thanks for watching! Happy Halloween!